Hello, my dear respected viewers. Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, assistant teacher of Serampur Purvara Government Primary School, Raipura, Norsingdi, in front of you. So, my dear respected viewers, you have actually understood that I'm a teacher, and now you also know pandemic situation is going on all over our world, and that's why all educational institution has closed long time actually, yeah. And that's why nowadays actually we have to know about different types of apps. So today I'm just talking about how to download any apps. So my dear respected viewers, actually you see my screen and also see many apps in my screen, yeah. And if you want to download any apps, then you have to then you have to go this one, yeah. You see here has a icon, and this icon name is just a Play Store, yeah. You see Play Store, and you know it's a common thing that every mobile has be a Play Store icon or a Play Store apps. And if you want to download any types of apps, then you have to use these apps, yeah. Again, I'm just identify my apps in my mobile, yeah. You see this icon name is Play Store. And so now come to the point, how to download any type of apps actually, yeah. So first of all, I have to open Play Store. So now I'm just clicking Play Store apps, yeah. You see, yeah, my dear viewers, you see that here has another enter page, you see. And you also see the top of my mobile, here has a, yeah, you see here has a search box. And if you want to any type of app, then you have to write this search box or the name of these apps. So first of all, I'm just clicking this box, yeah. Yeah, yeah. You see that here has here has a search box. And whenever I'm just clicking this box, then you see that here has also coming keyboard, yeah. Now I'm just what yeah, I'm just I want to downloading Imo, yeah. So I'm just I will write Imo, yeah. You see I'm just write Imo, yeah. You see, yeah. So now I'm just I was write Imo this search box on this search box, yeah. And now I'm just searching, yeah. You see on the you see on this search you see the keyboard, and here has a search sign, yeah. At the on the actually on the keyboard, yeah. You know about this. So I'm just clicking here, yeah. So you see that here has Imo apps. and now you also can see that here has written install. So these, if I want to install this app, then then I have to press install. Install now. Yeah, you see here has written actually install imo apps. So I will just click here. Yeah, you see that these imo apps is just loading. Yeah, your network or your Wi-Fi is be so fast, then your download also will be so fast. Yeah, you see my apps just downloading. In this time my apps just downloading. Yeah, 90%. Yeah, now download is complete, but in now installing is running. Yeah, you see installing is just running. I have to wait a few moments or few time. Yeah, because if your net is be so much strong, then your time actually is not be long, or you downloading and installing will be so much fastly. Yeah, you see. Yeah, my dear viewers, actually I was just writing emo, but if you want to any type of apps like meet, zoom, messenger, any type of apps, actually you can downloading this way. Yeah, you know that if you be a teacher, then you have to downloading meet apps, because now in nowadays in this pandemic situation, actually it's order to our from our authorities that we have to take online class by meet apps, and that's why this way actually you can also you can install meet apps like emo apps. Yeah, so yeah, you see that now my in downloading and also installing is complete. Yeah, and now you see that here has written open. Yeah, whenever your apps downloading and installing will be finished, then here you can see that open is writing here. Open will be writing here, and now you can use this app. Yeah, like now now I'm just press open. Yeah, so yeah, now sometimes these apps actually will be want to some allow, then you have to be allow. Yeah, now you can also write your emo number. This way actually you can install emo, but if you want to install meet, then you have to write meet apps. Yeah, so I'm just not going on my these emo apps, but this way actually you can install any type of apps. Now I'm just clicking here one more, and I'm just now I'll be write meet apps. Yeah, you see here has here has coming actually meet apps, and now I'm just searching these. Yeah, yeah, you know, actually in this time here has not written installed, or because this app actually already installed on my mobile, and that's why here has not written Yeah, here has not written installed, so obviously you have understood about this. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye.